Okay, let's go over the difference between conventional footwork and dynamic footwork live on the tennis court. Okay, here you have a couple of ball cones that I've set up so that you can actually see the difference between one type of footwork versus the other. Okay, what you'll notice is this is actually a test that you can do for yourself. All right, just put a couple of cones on the side and actually go to them and count how many steps does it take you to get to that ball. Most of you would actually probably go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hit, okay? And then do 1, 2, 3, 4 back, okay? So that's essentially 8 steps to do a round trip to the ball and back, okay? To me, dynamic footwork is really the way to go because I can get to that ball in 2 steps and get back to the center in 2 steps as well. So I've cut by half the amount of steps that I do, so that I've taken time away from my opponent and I've gotten back to the middle very quickly. And the way you do that is using dynamic footwork. And I'm going to demonstrate it to you so that you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to go 1 and 2, and then I'm back. I would even argue that I'm doing 1.5 steps there instead of 2, because I can get to that ball very quickly by doing a really large cross step. Okay, I'm going to do 1, and then you see 2, and then I'm back in 1. All right, so already you can see the difference between the two. You cut by half or even by 3/4 the amount of time that you spend going to one ball and getting back. Imagine how much time your opponent has or does not have to put the ball away from you. Okay, so I encourage you to do this test and see how quickly you can get to the ball and back.